Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to know up front. Fortnite does not offer native local split screen on Nintendo Switch, so you must use two consoles or cloud/remote options. First, update both Switch systems and Fortnite to the latest version, then sign in to the separate Epic accounts. Once done, connect both consoles to the same stable network and enable Nintendo Switch Online. Make sure controllers and party voice are set up, so you can invite and join parties immediately. Now link and assemble your team. From console, send a friend request to console B's Epic ID and accept it on the second Switch. Next, console A creates a party and sets party privacy to friends. Console B joins that party. Once both players are in the party, select duos or squads and ready up. Make sure both consoles have stable latency. If matchmaking fails, switching both consoles to wired LAN or correcting NAT settings. Finally, you'll start the match together. Both players must ready up in the same playlist so the party queues as one unit. Coordinate landing spots and loadout rolls before dropping. Small controller or sensitivity tweaks make teamwork smoother. If you can't join the same match, first restart both Switch consoles and the router, then verify Epic account links and NAT type. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch one console to wired connection and enable UPnP on your router to resolve most party or matchmaking failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.